Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. It's easy to integrate WPForms with your OptinMonster campaigns to create custom forms, surveys, and more. In this video, I'll show you how to embed a form you created in WPForms in an OptinMonster campaign. But first, if you haven't done so already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Now, let's get started. For this video, I'll assume that you've already designed your OptinMonster campaign and that you've already created the form you want to embed in your campaign. If you need help creating your form, be sure to check out the videos and documentation from our friends over at WPForms. Before we can head over to OptinMonster and embed the form in our campaign, we first need to do a couple things here in WPForms. First, since this is a custom integration, we'll need to add a special class to the Submit button in WPForms in order to track conversions in OptinMonster. To do so, select the Submit button in the Form Builder, and then in the Advanced section, type OM-trigger-conversion in the Submit button CSS class field. This will trigger a conversion and also set any cookies you specify when you build your campaign. To track conversions only and not set any cookies, use the class OM-trigger-alt-conversion instead. Alright, the next thing we need to do before heading over to OptinMonster is copy the shortcode for our form. You can find this right here on the Form Builder page by selecting Embed. In the Embed in a Page modal, select Use a Shortcode, and then select the copy icon. Now, we can close out of the modal, save our changes, close out of the builder, and head over to OptinMonster. I want to embed the form below my call to action and instructions, so from the Blocks menu, I'll drag and drop an HTML block there. Next, in the custom HTML editor, I'll simply paste the shortcode I copied earlier. Now, the campaign builder doesn't show a live preview of the parsed shortcode, but we can take a quick peek at how the campaign will appear on our site by heading over to Publish, and then selecting Preview. Alright, everything looks good. So now, all I have to do is set my display rules, and then save and publish my campaign. If you have any questions, browse through our helpful documentation. Or for further assistance, you can submit a support ticket and we'd be happy to help.